Hello beauties, how are you doing? Welcome to today's video. We are going to be strengthening the auric field. So this is something that you can watch here and there, or you can also watch on a daily basis, which will have a cumulative effect for you, and it will prevent you from picking up on other people's energies and just maintaining your own energy field as well. Okay, so let's move into the session, and first of all, just allow yourself to receive, for your highest good, and just relax. And also, if you want to, you can just play this on in the background. Just set your intention to receive the session, and you can just be playing it at work, at home, in the same room as others if you like. Just be aware, of course, that they may not want to receive the healing, but just be aware of everyone's boundaries. Okay, great stuff. So I'm getting a few messages as well while this energy is coming through. Okay, good. So the messages are, first of all, to be aware of your own energy. Okay. So just bringing in some awareness for you of that which is yours, okay? That which is your energy and that which is of others, okay? So bringing in that discernment, okay, for you to start off with. Okay, good. Okay, good. So as this energy is coming through, there's actually going to be a little bit of releasing for you as well, okay? Yeah. Okay, so we're just going to up-level your energetic boundaries. Bringing in more discernment there. And up-leveling again your energetic boundaries. And again, bringing in more awareness of your own emotions and of your own energy. As you become more aware of your own energy and of your own emotions, you'll recognize when there is a difference in energy or a difference in emotion that isn't yours, okay? Okay, good, that's going in well. Okay. We're going to do some repairing of the auric field. You may feel some stitching, okay? Some stitching around the auric field there. Bit of releasing there, some old emotions, okay. Okay, good. And just also grounding you into your body. So as you become more grounded into the body, you will actually take up more space within your physical body. Okay, so if you're not grounded, then your energy isn't fully taking up 100% of your body. So just bringing you back into your body, feeling safe with your own emotions as well. Okay, good. Okay, that's going well. Okay, good. And now we're just rebuilding again the auric field there. Bringing the energy of discipline there for you, that which you are wanting to maintain as a boundary. Okay, good. Being able to converse with others, heal others without taking on their emotional trauma. Being able to hear others, listen to others without taking on their emotional trauma or their stories, or engaging in that way. Maintaining your own energy, maintaining your own energetic field, maintaining your own vibration, maintaining your own strength and power. Okay, good. Good. Up leveling again your energetic boundaries. And one more time, over leveling your energetic boundaries. Good. Okay, are there any more holes and tears? Is there anything else? Come in, please. So what I'm also being told is maintaining your happiness, so maintaining a positive mindset. Okay, so really being able to focus your thoughts on the positive. Okay, because as you do that, you're going to keep your emotions high, you're going to keep your vibration high. Okay, and you can also actually lift people out of their own hole when you're keeping that vibration high. Okay, good. Okay, just bringing in some power for you, allowing yourself to recognize your own power there. Okay. Good. And using that power for the highest good of all. Okay. So you know what that power feels like, but we also need to use it in the highest and best way there. Okay, good. I feel like I'm holding you in between my hands, and it's creating like a vibration or a shield from the bottom and the top, and it's just emanating out into this bubble. So I'm just allowing that to happen. Okay. Because sometimes you just don't feel supported, okay? And this energy is coming in as a feeling of being supported, an energy of being cradled almost. Cradled, supported, loved, protected, but also finding that within yourself as well. If you think like you know, you'd lock the key, you'd lock the door, excuse me, with your key, lock the front door. This is about maintaining your energetic boundaries as well, your auric boundaries. So as you do that, as you decide that you're going to put those in place, it's self-preservation. So you are then stepping into your power by doing that, or having the intention of doing that, by listening to the video, by making it part of your daily routine, or just making it part of something that is going to provide you in the long term with more power, with more confidence, with more presence, and with more control over your day. Okay, good. Okay, good. Because if you can maintain your own energy, if you can be in that present moment without being distracted, without being too affected by what's around you, you're going to maintain your direction as well. Okay, okay, good. Okay, good. Okay, what else? What else do they need? What else do they need? Anything else, please? You need to believe in yourselves. You need to believe in your own power. And I keep getting, you need to use your power wisely. So make sure you're using your power in a positive way, okay? Okay, good, that is done. That's complete for today. Okay, just disconnecting from everyone. Okay, good. Okay, lovely people. Thank you again for tuning in, and I will be back with some more videos soon. And yeah, maintain your energy hygiene, and keep well, lovelies. And if you have any requests, pop them underneath and I'll work down my list. And I shall speak to you soon. Much love. Mwah.